Buddy Castro. You know, Buddy Castro, if I were you, do not be friends with Paulo Cruzada. Because, Paulo Cruzada is spreading terrorism. Oh, like I say again, sorry, wrong recharger. If I were you, Buddy Castro, Buddy Castro, I know me and Jerick Silva, we are very concerned at you. Do not be friends with Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Because, you don't know who is really, what truly color is. Buddy, don't listen to Paulo Cruzada. Because I know he's promoting ISIS. Oh, do you know what really happened to Joseph Maspinas? Do you really know what really happened to Teacher May? Oh, our former teacher. Oh, the friend of Teacher Marisa. For me, Buddy Castro, just listen to Lawrence Villawan. Listen to Jerick Silva. Block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Just like I said, I told to Jordan Pilapil, to block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook o unfriend him. Even you, Yvette Crystal Dulce Herado, unfriend Paulo Cruzada, block him. Yvette, I don't want to get you in harm in the first place. I know you're my classmate. Do you see that Paulo Cruzada, he threatened to hostage Teacher May? Oh, did you see? Oh, unlike what he did it to Joseph Maspinas. Oh, at the time, do not be friends with Paulo Cruzada. That Paulo Cruzada, anyway, he is an ISIS wannabe. He is a Marcos loyalist and ISIS wannabe, a terrorist group. He create a chaos in the Philippines when there is ISIS in the Philippines. Well, there is no ISIS in the Philippines. Like I said before, ISIS are Salafist. ISIS are radical Islam. I was told by Jerick Silva, radicalism. They are anti-Christ. They are anti-Shia Muslims. They are anti. Remember, I am telling to Buddy Castro, Yvette, Crystal Dulce Herado, and Kathleen Canete. Including Jens Manaid. All of you, listen to Lawrence Villawan and also Jerick Silva, even you, Teacher Marisa, Teacher Mirna, and Teacher Chris, and Teacher Riza. Even I'm saying to all of you, don't be friends with Paulo Cruzada. You don't know what's really going on is. And I know he's threatening to hostage Teacher May. He's threatening to attack Joseph Maspinas. And he said, what does Paulo Cruzada said? Sabugin ko ang sasakyan ni Joseph Maspinas. And tell me, how come Joseph Maspinas has a car? He doesn't have a car. Like I said, wala pong sasakyan si Joseph Maspinas. Jerick Silva says, Paulo Cruzada, that's a very lie. He's always do a bike. He doesn't have a driver's license. He doesn't money to buy a car. That is a very a lie. He doesn't have a car. Joseph Maspinas is just like Rafa Soco He's always riding a bike to go to school. He doesn't have a car. I was told by Jerick Silva, wala po yung sasakyan si Joseph Maspinas. You know, Paulo Cruzada, if I were you, do not harass Joseph Maspinas. That's a lie. He doesn't have a car. All of us, we have a car also. You know, oh, look at Paula Colin Nunez. Oh, she doesn't have a car also. She and Tita Sita Nunez. Oh, they just commute. They just ride the Grab. Oh, they don't have a car. Oh, like this imbecile Paulo Cruzada say, oh, that does Joseph Maspinas have a car? That does he ever ride the Grab? No. He doesn't ride anything because he doesn't have money to get a car. He ride only a bike like Rafa Soko. Oh, me, I have a bike too. Since the time of Arion, it was gone. I already have the green bike. Oh, it was rusty and broken. You know, Paulo Cruzada, stop making lies at Joseph Maspinas that he has a car. Oh, you know, that is a very lie. That is a lie. That means kasinungalingan mo yan, Paulo Cruzada. That's a lie. You know, as I'm saying, Joseph Maspinas, he doesn't have a car because he has no money to buy a car. Oh, you're spreading lies. First of all, you attack Teacher May. Oh, and you're saying about to her, sabugin kong sasakyan ni Teacher May. Oh, when Paulo Cruzada says, hey, how come Teacher May has a car? She doesn't have a car. Teacher May is always commute to go to CDIFI. She ride only a jeep. Oh, jeep only, jeep. She doesn't have a car. How come Teacher May has a driver's license? Oh, she never learned how to drive. Oh, same as Joseph Maspinas. He doesn't have driver's license. Joseph Maspinas, when he go to school, he ride a bike. Teacher May always commute. She ride a jeep. What the hell is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? First of all, you're attacking Tito Mac's vehicle, Lada Niva. Oh, you're saying about bomb joke. And you attack the UAC 469. Oh, the Russian vehicle. Oh, you're forcing Joseph Maspinas. What is that? Banggain ng sasakyan. You know, it's really nonsense. Are you playing about Burnout, this video game about car accidents or beaming? Where? Yeah. Right. And you know what, Paulo Cruzada? You're making a lot of story about you're pretending to be ISIS wannabe. What the hell is wrong with you? Uh, what did you did to, for example, Louis Texon or Luis Cabales or, you know, the time I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, you have no friends anyway. Why you don't have friends? My schoolmates from CDIFI, they don't really like you anymore. Because you were bad influence. Oh, at least Wawel Romero already what she saw in the screenshot in Messenger. Oh, and she said, oh, bakit si Paulo Cruzada nagpo-promote ng terorismo? Oh, I asked Wawel, don't entertain Paulo Cruzada. Just let him be. If you let him be, he will he will terrorize everybody. Oh, you know, I'm saying to Wawel, just ignore Paulo Cruzada. Oh, don't talk to him. Oh, you know, I'm not promoting terrorism. You know, Paulo Cruzada, uh, when J. Rick Silva and I, we do not like terrorism. There is no ISIS in Philippines. And you will be happen to the Bondi Beach gunman last year who killed Australian Jews. Oh, you will be arrested, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you see in Davao City, in Mindanao, some of military and the police, they have lots of checkpoints. Oh, because they don't want terrorism. Oh, you see, if you imagine this, Paulo Cruzada, if you watch Batang Quiapo, you see there's a police checkpoint. Oh, there is police checkpoint. You know, Paulo Cruzada, when David Gill was not there in the time, oh, do not promote terrorism. You know, ISIS are very Salafist. They are Wahhabist. They're not teachings of Islam. They're anti-Islam. They are radical. They are anti-Christ. Do not spread terrorism. They are anti-Christ. They are anti-Semitism. Oh, remember that. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, your parents will be reprimand you. Oh, you see in Gaza, in Palestine, Hamas police arrest the ISIS cells. Oh, they don't want terrorism. You see in Afghanistan, Paulo Cruzada, Taliban had arrested the ISIS cell. Oh, they don't want terrorism in Afghanistan. Oh, in Taliban regime. Oh, but here in the Philippines, we defeated ISIS. Oh, we are peace. We do not like terrorism. And what is wrong with you? Ah, your family have been shame on you for what you just did in the public. You know, for me, Paulo Cruzada, we are all special. You are a special child with the terrorism. This is a very nice to promote terrorism when you saying about ISIS. Oh, you are making a bomb joke. Someday, Paulo Cruzada, you have no friends anyway. You know, Lawrence Villawan says to me, oh, Lawrence says, um, I told Lawrence Villawan in Messenger, uh, wag mo kaibiganin si Paulo Cruzada, i-block mo na yan. Oh. Lawrence Villawan understand. Oh. When I talked to J. Rick Silva at the time, um, he doesn't know what really happened. He will never forget for Paulo Cruzada what he just did to Joseph Maspinas. Hindi ba mangyayari to? Like what's really happened is, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop promoting terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. You, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, G. Macasandil, and even I'm saying to all of you, do not spread terrorism. You know, Gina Sejo, your husband had divorced you. Oh, when I talked to Jerick Silva, because you know your brain have saltic, you are very retard. How come you are a sped teacher in the former school in CDIFI when you promote terrorism? How come you're a sped teacher in Japan when you are promoting terrorism? Oh, it's not really nice to promote terrorism. You know, look at the time, oh, when Mark Pasiones said, oh, when he said it before to Tita Maggie Ganti, oh, wag kasi puro terorismo, oh, wala na si Teacher Lendel, hindi na siya natuturo ngayon, oh, iba natuturo sa iba, like what he said. You know, terrorism is a cause of panicking, oh, it's causing a politicalize, like I said before. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, and G. Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez, do not promote terrorism, all of you. And do not say about the ISIS. ISIS already defeated already. You know, during the time in current events, when I talk with Teacher May, oh, the time we talk about the current events, oh, in 2017, oh, about the Marawi siege. Oh, you see what happened to Omar Maute and Itzilo Napilon. They were killed by Philippine Army and the Philippine Navy NAVSOG, oh, with the help of the U.S. Special Operation Forces of the U.S. Navy SEALs. Oh, you see what really happened. They killed Omar Maute and Itzilo Napilon, and now you see they just got killed, oh, by sniper shot. And now what I realize, they defeated. Oh, this is what I gotta say to you, Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sejo, and Jeffrey Sejo, G. Macasandil.